Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to become an admin on Roblox. So first is first, you have to open your Roblox and you need to simply understand admin access in the Roblox game. First, you have to go to messages, and then here you will see Roblox messages, so you have to click at least one. And then after that, you need to tap on the at Roblox right here. Click this one. Now it will show you to the Roblox page. What you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and you will see here admins badges. So you have to click on see more and then tap on this administrator. Click this one. Now, once you tap this, you will see this administration badge. Now, official Roblox admins are Roblox staff. Roblox admins are actually employees of Roblox Corporation. They have access to platform-wide tools, moderation powers, and system-level control. So becoming an official Roblox admin requires working for Roblox. You cannot get this by just playing the game. So you have to scroll down here and look for jobs. Tap this one and then you can see different jobs right here. So basically what you're going to do is you need to work in Roblox to get this badge, apply for jobs within games or groups. Some group hire players as moderators or admins to help manage games. So look for games with recruiting or staff wanted, post in group walls or Discord, submit applications and follow their rules. And basically that is how to become an admin on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.